For production of Sonam and that Raj. So their production was taken place through VC. IOS paid for 14 days judicial custody. So court, after hearing the parties, again remanded them for 14 days judicial custody.
So police don't want them in the police custody.
Yes, you see, in the forwarding report, there is a prayer for. There is not a prayer. There is a paragraph mentioned that IO may ask for police custody. Okay, so for the interest of investigation, IO may file a formal petition before the Honorable Court if he requires further police custody for the accused, then we will see to it.
Okay, in the video conferencing, how does it happen?
Video conferencing, they were produced, they were brought in the camera, so magistrate asked their well-beings, everything, they are all fine. Then magistrate asked whether they want to say anything. They said no, we don't want to say anything. So after hearing that forwarding report given by the IO, the legal aid also there. So after hearing, they were remanded as usual as per the procedure for 14 days further judicial custody.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live stream and dreams. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.